Hello, I'm Michael Kirichenko. You are watching SkyWay News, where we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. From release number 13, issued on Friday, the 13th of September, you will get to know about the construction of SkyWay facilities in the United Arab Emirates and Belarus, as well as the current situation with the rolling stock production. And now, about all this in more detail. Semi-automatic welding of plates on anchor units of both anchor supports at the first line was carried out at SkyWay Innovation Center in Sharjah. In addition, the alignment of half saddles is performed. At the moment, welding works on joining the U-shaped profile of the track structure are underway at this facility. This week, work has also been carried out on the installation of reinforcement cages and formwork for parapet walls with their subsequent concreting. Installation of the lower part of the roof structure has been completed at the guest house. Everything is ready for proceeding with thermal insulation. In Belarus, the work of acceptance commission is nearing completion at the construction of a new production building in Silitsky Street. We hope for the early signing of the act on commissioning this facility in operation. As regards the construction of the other production warehouse and administrative buildings in Karalishevichi village, they already proceed with installation of metalwork crane runway beams, internal rough finishing and laying of paving slabs. The builders have recently started work on the facility's gas supply. In addition, internal plumbing works are in progress here too. We have begun bench testing of current collector structures for promising transport. Let me remind you that current collectors are traction electrical devices designed to create an electrical contact between the electric equipment of rolling stock and the contact network. The design of the current collector should provide pickup of current of the set value at the maximum motion speed for which the electric rolling stock is designed. Powering a vehicle from the track structure will make it possible to significantly lighten the vehicle, leaving only the storage units for emergency and backup power on board. We have finished durability tests with wheels of the Tropical Unicar designed especially for operation in climatic conditions of the Middle East. The data obtained from the practical run-in will confirm the calculated values, determine the shortcomings of the wheel design, and identify areas for its optimization. As we have already reported, U4-43101, and this is the exact name title of the Unicar in its tropical version, has successfully passed a complex of running tests at SkyWay Eco Technopark in Belarus, and it is currently getting ready to be shipped to the Research, Technology and Innovation Park in Sharjah. The prototype of high-speed unibus U4-362 is undergoing an active run-in stage, which allows preparing units and key components for intensive use, as well as identifying possible faults and defects at the initial stage. We have recently held a series of meetings between SkyWay Technologies company employees and representatives of the companies Schaltbau, Knorr-Bremse, Design Invest, Schun Carbon Technology, Mersen, Waptec, Miss Limited and others. Some of them took place in the framework of the International Railway Display Pro Movement Expo in late August this year. It is a unique communication platform for meetings of railway industry leaders, experts, professionals, as well as manufacturers' presentations, signing agreements with foreign partners. The result of the negotiations was a preliminary agreement on cooperation in the supply of components for SkyWay vehicles. Designers of the company have passed a seminar on protection and minimization of interference in power supply sources and DC-DC converters, as well as the choice of optimal solutions for the construction of AC-DC and DC-DC converters for a wide range of applications. Our experts have studied the latest equipment for measuring interference, received answers to the questions on certification of electronic devices in Russia and the Customs Union. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of SkyWay technology over the past week. Follow the updates on the official SkyWay website, sign up to SkyWay YouTube channel, support our project, and any superstitions will be forgotten. Build SkyWay. Save the planet.